I'm Amy Blain of Bright Ideas Marketing with digital marketing ideas for your business. In this series of videos, I'll discuss various ways to harness the power of the internet to drive new customers your way, with the latest techniques that you may or may not be aware of, as well as the essential basics that you may or may not be doing in the most effective way. This is part 3 of online reviews, why your local business needs them, and how to get more. Chapter 3, how to get more reviews. The real world question is, all right, I believe you. So how do I start getting reviews? The short answer is ask. How can you get authentic, positive, and reliable reviews for your small business on a weekly basis? Just ask. Really, that's it. Research shows that 7 out of 10 consumers will leave a review if they're asked to. This means if you ask at least 10 customers each week to leave a review for your business, you'll likely end up with about 7 new reviews every week, providing a steady stream of relevant, recent, and hopefully positive reviews to drive future business. Asking twice is usually the best way to get a response. You can request in person and then follow up with an email requesting a review. If you get positive feedback in person or via email, reply with an email request including a link where they can post the feedback on review sites like Yelp, Facebook, and Google. Research shows that most consumers are happy to help a growing business, especially if they've had a positive experience. Keep it simple. Consumers aren't going to go out of their way to create a new account, click through several pages, or fill out an extensive form just to leave feedback. Make it easy. Your online reputation depends on online reviews, so provide simple ways for anyone to leave you the feedback that you're looking for on multiple sites. One of the best ways we make getting local business reviews easy for our clients is to use a review funnel. If the customer gives a thumbs up, they'll be taken directly to a list of websites where they can post their review. If the customer gives a thumbs down, they'll be taken directly to a form that goes to your company email so they can detail their experience directly with you and not the world. This gives you immediate notification of negative feedback, so you can make amends while keeping it offline. Then, if you solve their issue and turn them into a happy customer, you can request feedback again, aiming for a glowing review. You can provide a feedback link on your website, in an email, or on your invoices, asking for a review from each customer. The best part is the link we create to your funnel is easy to share using the techniques below. But before you read those, remember, keep reviews real. Asking for and receiving reviews is important, but managing this process is critical. Too many reviews all at once can look suspicious. Too few looks unreliable. Authenticity is essential and cannot be achieved through incentives or bribing consumers for reviews. Reviews are only valuable when they are honest. Offering incentives for reviews is often considered unethical and may be illegal in some states. How to ask for feedback. Ask for reviews when customers are happiest and quickly explain how simple and beneficial it is for your business. Ask as if you were asking for a favor that only takes a moment of their time. A simple way we help our clients make asking for reviews easier is by providing branded business cards that include their feedback link. We also provide postcards to mail, follow-up emails, and posters to display at their business that request an online review with a simple link to visit. With these tools, you can request reviews in a number of ways. Have installation teams, sales reps, and anyone who speaks to customers hand out feedback cards. Post the display at your point of sale with a slot for cards that customers can take with them. Mail out follow-up postcards thanking customers for their business and asking for a review. Or if digital is more your style, send a professional-looking yet personal follow-up email. Every local business needs to have an online strategy that's designed to build a positive reputation one step at a time. Through a positive online presence that includes a consistent stream of intentional and authentic feedback, you can steadily build your business's online reputation. This has been part 3 of online reviews, why your local business needs them and how to get more. Stay tuned for Chapter 4 next. And learn more about how we can help you manage your reputation by visiting brightideasadagency.com/services/reputation.